Welcome back, everybody. Okay, so very quickly, we are going to use this cute little Hello Spring on one of these really cute little chalk discs, which are really sweet. Anytime that you use any of the transfers, you got to really make sure, one, you've got it on there straight, two, that you have it pushed down really good so it doesn't leak through, making it not look right, I guess. So I've got it on here. I know the little edges are sticking up, but that's okay. This is very quick. As you can tell, I love chocolate, so I like caramel chocolate. I guess I should be specific. We're going to use paste on this because when you use the paste, you can wash it off and change it out as many times as you want, which is really nice. Great thing about Chalk Couture items is that you can reuse it over and over again, washing the chalk paste off. The ink, you cannot. So keep that in mind. I just opened this up, and as you can tell, it's kind of watery, which is what we want. But we're going to take our handy dandy little stir machine here, and this is good. I wanted you to see this. I'm going to stir this up. You want it the consistency very similar to like butter, which is ironic because this is yellow. But just remember, this does wash out. If you're talking about your clothes, you might want to be a little more careful and not wear something super nice in case it does not come out. Of course, all materials are different like that. So we're just stirring it up really, really, really good. Clean it off here. We want to try to save as much of the chalk as we can. Okay. Set this off to the side. And we're going to use our little squeegee here. And just take a little bit on here. And you're just going to pull it down. Apply it on there. A little goes a really long way, guys. So put a little bit on there. You don't have to scrape it off so much that there's none left on there. You can do multiple colors if you want. It's really up to you. Any of your excess, you want to save that. That's money you're throwing away. Just scrape it back in here. Okay. We're going to set this off to the side because we're going to reuse that. Okay. And check it out. You're just going to peel this off very slowly from the corner so you don't stretch it too much. And it already is stretching, so we're just going to be really careful because it's a brand new one. And there you go! Isn't that adorable? And so easy. I can't even tell you how easy that is. Imagine if you made a little tree and decorated it up with little eggs and had the different little sayings on it. I just love it so much. But for now, I got to clean my hands. I've got dirty little fingers. And if you have any questions, send me an email, message me, let me know. I'm here to answer any of your questions. Until later. Ciao, y'all.